Hey there! In this video I want to talk with you about the camera angle on the FPV system and why it is so important. And I want to show you an easy way how you can determine your camera angle and change it to the angle you want. But enough of talking, let's go! So the camera angle is very important to the way how you fly. Most of the freestylers fly with the camera angle between 0 and 30 degrees or 35 degrees. All above is more for racing or faster freestyle. And there are also some crazy dudes which flying with 60 degrees and higher camera angle, such as Matty Stunts, who invented the Matty flip. So why is it important that you set your camera angle to the right angle? When you have a higher tilted camera angle, you will fly faster automatically because your quad, when you're moving forward, will be more pushing towards this direction. Whereas when you're flying like that, you will have no drag to the front, or at least not that much drag to the front as if you would fly with a higher camera angle. But also, when you have a higher camera angle, your yaw axis will become your roll axis, and your roll axis will become your yaw axis. Not completely, but it will shift with a higher and higher angle. Why is that so? Your yaw axis will become more the roll axis, because you will be like that, and when you're yawing it's more rolling, and your roll axis will be more yawing. And when you have a very flat degree camera angle, then when you yaw it will be yaw, and when you roll it will be roll. So it will shift the higher you go. And I think the camera angle is very important to get the right way you want to fly, because you have a little range, I would say about 10 degrees, where it feels basically the same, but when you tilt your camera higher or lower, your stick movements will be also somewhat different. But enough of theory. Now I want to show you how you can set your camera angle right, and all you need is your flight software, your quad, probably a paper, and a USB cable would be pretty handy. So first thing you want to make sure is that your quad is on a flat surface, and you want to calibrate it so that we have no false readings over here. So you click calibrate, and then in this tab you will see the pitch degrees. And now when you lean your quad forward, it will change. So in my case I'm flying around 16 degrees, and as it's sometimes a little bit hard to tell if you're in the right angle, you can take a stick of paper and put it in front of the cam, and then you can see when you push against the paper, okay, in my case it's 16. So, and when you want to change it to say 30 degrees or 40 degrees, you can pitch your quad forward and then have a look how much you have to tilt it, and then you can check again with your paper. Okay, in my case it's 30 degrees, but yeah, I think you get a sense of this. And that's it. And easy as that, you can set your camera angle right. I'm really eager to hear what your favorite camera angle is and why, or if you never heard of the importance of the camera angle before. So hit it in the comments and let me know. But now, as always, if this video didn't help you, don't tell anybody how you spent the last minutes. But if I helped you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. I'm posting at least one video a week to get more pilots into this great hobby. So stay tuned and see you next time. 60, 70 degrees. 16, not 60. 60 I couldn't fly with at all. Never. I tried, I failed.